Hey, good afternoon, Kshitij. How are you doing?
I am fine, sir. I am good at my home.
Wonderful. So, welcome to DSCU Career Series. Delhi Skill Entrepreneurship University is organizing these career talks for the benefit of young students to consciously choose career options. We decided to bring in a guest who is entered into the world of banking, finance, and insurance. And here we have and present to you, young learners, Kshitij Mathur. So, Kshitij, welcome to the series. And why don't you introduce yourself? It'll be wonderful to understand.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Pleasure to connect here. My name is Chitij Mathur, and I have done postgraduate diploma in operations and retail management. Now I am working in BFSI sector in insurance and in the company SBI Life Insurance. It has been 1 year of my journey in this corporate world, and it was a wonderful journey. Uh, in the past, I have done engineering and the various projects in operations domain, and now I am in insurance sector with a variety of portfolios I am handling here, customer engagement and various product development portfolios also. So this is all my introduction regarding my journey in this field.
Wonderful. Kshitij, something more about your background in terms of your parents, in terms of your family, where do you come from, and where did you do your, professional course from?
Okay, sir. I belong to a nuclear family. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. The initial school days I spent in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. It was a wonderful journey there also. My parents are also working. My father is, senior vice president in Prakash Industries Limited, which is a steel sector division. My mother is a teacher, and she has been in various schools across Indore and across the Jaipur zone. uh, I have been completing my graduation from Jaipur Engineering College, Focus, and after that, I decided to go for MBA in operations and sales domain. That's from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Jaipur. And after that, I joined SBI Life as a senior associate, and I am been working here from the past 1 year, handling different portfolios like customer engagement and also the product portfolios also.
Very
Thank you.
nice. So, a wonderful journey for a student to transition from an engineering course to doing an MBA in operations and retail from a prestigious institute like Jaipuria Institute of Management, and then joining one of the leaders and a coveted company like SBI Life, and making a mark there for last 1 year. So, Kshitij, let's talk a bit about insurance sector in India. What is your understanding of insurance sector? How big it is? What are the players? What are the career opportunities for young professionals in this sector, and what should they do to enter into this sector?
And it is being operated from 1958. LIC was the first company which was alone working. Now there are 26 to 27 private players also which are working here. And from the if we look about this sector overview, earlier there was not much knowledge about this sector, why we want to take the insurance, why we want to invest in the insurance. So there was very less understanding about this sector. But after the post COVID era, I have seen that many people want to take insurance, many people want to invest in this portfolios which are offered by these companies, because the knowledge, the era of insurance has increased after the post COVID world, where there is understanding about the products, there is understanding about the investment or the returns they are getting after the investment. So I should say that earlier only one company was there. Now competition has also widened in this sector, and there is very scope of good returns with also tax-free returns, which our companies are offering in this sector. So this sector has the various opportunities for the investment also, as well as for the career also. If
Very
we look
nice.
at the career if we yes sir, if we look at the career opportunities, the companies has simplified their processes so that they can onboard the customer in a very simple and very lucid way, because that is the need of the hour. Nobody
Right.
wants to wait at your destination, at your customer sales point, or your preferred bank locations or insurance location. So the companies have simplified their process. That is the various cusp of this industry, and also the process has been digitalized. That is
Okay.
the need of the hour, because the customer wants that. They don't want physical interactions now. Only by
Right.
phone or by getting customer links, they want to get onboarded, or whatever they are asking for the product, they want the information on WhatsApp only.
Very
So
nice.
the customer engagement and the companies or this sector is growing in the way, after this post COVID world, in a very simple way. And now the need of the hour is also very simple, that the companies want to onboard customers, or they want that only simple processes, so that there is no hassle free transactions between the customer and the company. And also the returns which they want, that they should be available, and their information should be available to them in the simple way. So
Very
this is
nice.
the sector of
So very nicely put, Kshitij. And I think you explained how the companies are looking at simplistic models of customer engagement and interacting with customers in the post-COVID era. And there's
yeah
I always look at this sector of insurance, life insurance, non-life insurance, with a lot of fascination for the kind of career opportunities that it offers, with so much of increased
yeah
competition, so many multinationals and national players, private players besides LIC being here. Kshitij,
yeah
how do you relate to your professional education and what you learned during your MBA, and how much of it is getting utilized specifically in BFSI sector? Why I'm asking this question is that we have felt that usually generic BBAs and MBAs or PGDBMs suffice to industry requirements only in a partial way. And we at Delhi
okay
Skills and Entrepreneurship University have designed a specific curriculum for banking, finance, and insurance sector, BFSI, which is a 3 year
yeah
degree course after 12th standard. The students will be doing this 3 year degree course in BFSI, not only
hmm.
studying in the university, but spending 50% of their time outside the university with the industry. So, during the
Okay.
course itself, so much of practical exposure would happen that through
Yes.
internship, live projects, assignments, they are able to understand the industry requirements and their employability increases. How do you look at this model benefiting young
Okay.
students and the industry also in terms of employable talent?
Okay sir. ओके सर, मैं बिल्कुल बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से इसको बताना चाहूँगा कि कैसे हम इसको रिलेट कर सकते हैं। और सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है कि सर, जैसे ये कोर्स हमको पढ़ाया जाता है तो हमें ये बताया जाता है कि लाइक 80C 1010D, इसमें हमें एग्जाम्पशंस कैसे मिलती है, ये सब हमें पढ़ाया जाता है कोर्स करिकुलम में।
Right.
और जब हम इस सेक्टर में एंटर करते हैं तो हमें ये पता लगता है कि हम जो इन्वेस्टमेंट करा रहे हैं उसमें हम कैसे उनको कस्टमर्स को छूट दे सकते हैं, और उससे उनको कितने अच्छे रिटर्न्स दे सकते हैं,
Correct.
जिससे उनके ड्रीम्स पूरे हो रहे हैं या उनकी ज़रूरतों को पूरा किया जा रहा है अपने प्लान्स पोर्टफोलियो के हिसाब से, और अपने कैलकुलेशंस के हिसाब से, जो वो कैलकुलेशंस जो वो एजुकेशन में लर्न कर रहे हैं। तो वो रियल लाइफ जब कंपनी के पोर्टफोलियोज पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो उन्हें और अच्छा समझ में आता है कि हम कितना उनसे इन्वेस्टमेंट करवा रहे हैं और हम कितना अच्छा रिटर्न दे सकते हैं।
Right.
और इसमें ड्यूरेशन भी रहती है सर, जैसे 5 साल 10 साल के बाद। तो जैसे सिंप्लीफाई तरीके में आज की एरा के बाद बारे में ही हम बात करें, या हम पहले के बारे में भी बात करें, तो हमने देखा कि आरडी एफडी में हमेशा से लोग इन्वेस्ट करते आए हैं। एफडी में, आरडी में, बैंक में, जिसमें अच्छे रिटर्न्स रहते हैं। तो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस और आरडी एफडी जो हम बैंक में करा रहे हैं उसमें काफी अच्छे रिटर्न्स हैं, उसमें कंपटीशन है कि कितना हमें रिटर्न्स मिल रहा है। पोस्ट ऑफिस में भी हमने देखा काफी अच्छी स्कीम्स लॉन्च होती रहती है, जिसमें 5 साल बाद कुछ अच्छे रिटर्न्स मिल रहे हैं। वही चीज अगर लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में कराए तो रिटर्न्स ज्यादा मिलते हैं, और टैक्स फ्री भी मिल रहे हैं। पोस्ट ऑफिस में हमें टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न्स नहीं मिल पाते, लेकिन लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में अगर आप करवा रहे हैं तो उसमें आप टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न्स दे रहे हैं। तो उसमें क्या है कि पैसा भी मिल रहा है और टैक्स भी मिल रहा है, तो कस्टमर को ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट आता है उसमें, और हम कैलकुलेट करके भी बता सकते हैं। तो हम जो स्टडी कर रहे हैं वो ये कर रहे हैं कि हम हमारे पास क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल लाइन में कैसे हम टैक्स फ्री रिटर्न्स देते हैं, क्या पोर्टफोलियोज हैं। जब हम कंपनीज में आते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे को बताए जाते हैं जिससे हम आरडी एफडी में काफी अच्छा निवेश करा सकते हैं आज के लिए जो जरूरत भी है। और उसमें हम कैलकुलेट करके कस्टमर को बता सकते हैं कि भाई आप 5 साल 10 साल बाद जब आप रिटर्न्स अच्छा से दे रहे हैं, टैक्स फ्री दे रहे हैं, तो वो एक बेनिफिशियल ही है जिससे आप अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा कर सकते हैं, परिवार की, अपने ड्रीम्स फॉलो कर सकते हैं, अपना घर बना सकते हैं, अपने चिल्ड्रन की एजुकेशन में जो है हेल्प कर सकता है। तो ये चीज है कि जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और कैसे हम इंडस्ट्री को इसमें रिलेट कर सकते
वेरी नाइस। सो क्षितिज, आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह एक्सप्लेन किया। और अगर ये प्रैक्टिकल
हैं। यस
एक्सपोजर
सर।
जो पिछले 1 साल में आपको एसबीआई लाइफ में आके मिला है और जो आपने समझा
यस
है
सर।
आफ्टर डूइंग योर कोर्स, अगर
हम्म।
इस तरह का
हम्म।
एक्सपोजर आपको राइट आफ्टर 12th, 3 साल जब आप कोर्स कर रहे हो
हम्म।
डिग्री का, वेरियस स्टेजेस पे मिले, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि आप ज्यादा इंडस्ट्री रेडी होंगे राइट फ्रॉम डे वन?
यस सर, बिल्कुल। क्योंकि डे वन से ही आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि इंडस्ट्री में क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, और जैसे जैसे ट्रेनिंग रहती है इंडस्ट्री ओरिएंटेड भी, और कोर्स से दौरान भी आप रिलेट कर पाते हैं, तो वो तो बेस्ट एफिशिएंसी भी देता है आपके कैरियर पाथ में, और कैरियर जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आगे बढ़ाएंगे। आई
सो
पर्सनली एग्री कि आपने जो बोला बिल्कुल सही है।
सो सतीश, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स। एंड आई थिंक आपने एज अ यंग प्रोफेशनल अपने इनपुट्स बहुत अच्छी तरह शेयर किए हैं। एंड जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी 12th क्लास में हैं और बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस, इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, कौन सा कोर्स करना चाहिए सोच रहे हैं, आपके इनपुट्स बहुत वैलिड रहेंगे। Listening to you, I get a feeling that you are more like a financial expert now. In a 1 year, you have understood so much about the industry. So, my
या,
congratulations to you. Continue doing the good
थैंक
work
यू सर।
and rising and shining. This association continues, and we will keep calling you for interaction with our students, our classes, particularly for BFSI sector. Thank you for your time.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Wonderful for
थैंक यू
you to
सर।
be here. Thank you.